Right, let's see what we find in this one.
Oh, they're quite full, aren't they?
Yeah. You can see how they're stuck down.
Yeah.
Until how full they are, about how they're sort of kind of stuck it down.
Started working on it, haven't they?
I mean, sometimes they just don't draw out the end frames. That's okay.
They're drawn out a bit though, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah, they have. Yeah, that's quite reasonably full, isn't it?
Yeah. Got some honey on there, look.
They're quite buckfasty, aren't they?
Yeah.
Worse than waiting that one at all.
There aren't many hives that need combining really for the winter, is there, when you think about it?
Not really. Say that one.
That one
It's just a
definitely,
waste of time putting in a nuke when I'm
Yeah.
just put a bit of Kingspan just to reduce it down that way.
Or would you mix it with another one? Well, it depends what else you find, really. Don't
I think if they're defended off the wasp, they're reasonably strong, aren't they?
Yeah.
She's laying quite well. She's got a nice pattern, so I don't see the need to kill her. You know, it's only if I really find a problem. I say that one is laying pretty. She's laying well, so I wouldn't like to kill her.
Yeah, they've got a lot of stores, haven't they? These are doing well.
Chocker, aren't they?
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
And they're pretty calm, so you'd assume
Well, I
that
suppose when you think about it, them swarms were all caught in June, I suppose, really.
so that's reasonably well, aren't it? Yeah.
June,
June.
July, August.
In
It ain't
June.
long, is it, really? A couple of
No.
months.
I don't. You still got all of September and all of October,
yeah.
really, to.
Build them up, haven't you?
Yeah, I mean that's. Well, I ain't seen many. What's that saying, buddy?
Eggs.
There we go. Let's start getting into the brood nest now. One couple hatching out there, one hatching out.
You can see it coming out.
Yeah. There's eggs down the bottom there. Nice pearly white larvae, sounds good.
They're nice and calm, aren't they?
They are, aren't they? Honey, they're built on the side.
Oh, yeah, on that side as well.
Mm.
They've filled up more than what you think, then, haven't they?
Yeah. There's eggs in there, so she's laying okay.
You're gonna have to get that out now, okay? You don't know if the fine will go.
Yeah, I'm going to you can munch on that when we're done, can't you?
Yeah,
Right. Wasp in there, look.
yeah. Okay. A bit, so I'm frantic about that. I think they do know when you're nicking the honey, don't they?
You what?
I think they do know when you're nicking the honey.
Yeah.
That made me laugh about too. He said, I know you're nicking the honey.
So this one I'm quite pleased with, really.
Yeah, it's done well, hasn't it?
I mean, I don't like this building on the side business, but
Well,
they're homemade boxes, aren't they?
well, I think, yeah, the homemade boxes, plus, I suppose, if you haven't been doing so many inspections, that would,
Yeah,
if you
that's
were pulling
true.
it out more often, that would
Yeah.
probably prevent that, wouldn't it?
I just don't want to,
Damage anything.
yeah, kill the queen. That's all I'm worried about.
Mind you, it's a good sign, because at least, you know, we don't really need to inspect them much more, do you, I suppose?
No,
Before the
I wouldn't be keep building these apart.
Before that, yeah.
This will be it. You know, I'll draw a line and think, right, okay, they're queen right then.
Yeah,
When I look down, they've got plenty of food, haven't they?
yeah, they're going to be alright for over winter. aren't
She's laying plenty of
they?
eggs.
Nothing's going to change for the winter time, is it?
You know, and I mean, you know, she's laying eggs, not loads, because they should be slowing down this time of year anyway. So,
They don't want to let me have that honey.
yeah, nicking your arm.
It's funny, you know, it's in the queen, isn't it?
No, but she could be on the sides.
Yeah, that's the trouble, isn't it?
Yeah, see if we can get put that out.
Just a nice bit of comb what's been made in the one place. Bees everywhere. You still got that swarm in that polystyrene thing that you're just going to leave?
Yeah, we're going to do that last. They washed over around that.
Oh, did
I
they?
brought it up and put it in an actual wooden box.
Yeah.
I tore the polystyrene off until it was stuck to the roof.
Yeah.
Put it in, I thought, great, they look really good. Washed over around them, which I was surprised actually with that one. Right, that'll do.
can hear them all humming in there, can't you?
Pardon?
Can hear them all. And we've done it the other way round this time, haven't we, with a hole and these homemade hives.
Yeah.
Small hole and the frames that way round.
I'm doing, don't get me wrong and say,
Don't seem to make any. Well, I don't know if we don't know if it make any difference or not, do it? Maybe it don't, because some have been overrun by the wasps. Anyway,
I don't think I do. I mean, I know one guy on the internet, he's got 150, 200 hives, and he pretty much does all his way. He's got some the way long run that way. There's no difference. You can't see any difference.
No, well, I can't say we can really. We thought that was going to make a difference, didn't we? Possibly.
Right, it's okay. So at the minute, that's queen, right? There's eggs. There's a lot of food, so I won't need to be feeding them, which is good because this means more money to buy sugar. So the less I can feed, as many hives I don't have to feed, and the more money I save anyway, and less work, more importantly, really.
Yeah, so that's a good one.